if an order has been made in the system, it's creating demand. So we can see what is being demanded in the system here. We sold three fans that need to be manufactured, and then the fan has a sub-assembly in it. So there are two manufacturing operations involved. So we can see that two manufacturing operations are in a to-do status right now. Here we are. We need to make a fan motor assembly and the 1A brand portable fan, which is a final good. Both of them are waiting. So I will go ahead and check in here. We have two components waiting here. I'll check availability for this, and then the switches, they are available, but the motors are not. So we need to get them first. And to do that, let's go ahead and see if we have any procurement requests waiting for them. So I'll go to purchases, and I do have two new RFQs in the queue here. So I have this one here, fan blade. We are needing to procure 3 of them. So these 3 fan blades are for the final assembly. And then if I scroll to the next RFQ from a different vendor, the electric motors and supplies company, I have the electric motor itself. There are 3 of them as well. So this is the sub-assembly component. We are also demanding that there's a demand in the system to pull this component as well. So to procure these items, basically to send out the purchase orders, I'll click confirm order. And you can see in here that there's a button to send PO by email. So I can go ahead and click this as well. This populates, and then we can send an email. There's an automated email that could be customized to the client. There's going to be a purchase order that looks like this, or well, once again, it could be changed a bit from this. I'll cancel it, and then we can see that there's a shipment pending here. So I could look in here. So the system is now expecting that these electric motors will arrive in our warehouse. So I could look at this expected arrival through the purchase order or through the inventory module, which I will do in a couple of minutes. I'll go ahead and process the other order for components, confirm it as well. It will be the same. I can send it by email, or I can print it and then print it out and send it to the client, to the vendor by fax or whichever other method.